Hey everyone, we did an Indian cooking class on board the Carnival Jubilee. Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time here, we are a small travel agency trying to give you the best information about cruising so that you can plan and go on an amazing cruise vacation. So we recently were on the Carnival Jubilee and we tried all the different types of dining, whether it be included or specialty. And we even went and tried one of the Carnival kitchen cooking classes. So prior to the cruise, I signed up for the Indian Masala Huddle cooking class. There are a lot of different cooking classes. There was a tailgate one. One of our subscribers did the tailgate one with her sister, Yvette. And there was an Italian one, there's a pasta one, there's a cupcake one, there's an ice cream one, there's all kinds of cooking classes. The pasta one sells out really fast, just so you know that in advance. So I did the Indian cooking class. When you show up there, you get there a few minutes early. I was by myself, so I didn't know what to expect. You do get paired up with someone if you are by yourself, because each cooking station is for 2 people. So if you're not feeling good about that, maybe you want to make a friend ahead of time and pair up. I thought it was fine. I had a great time with my partner. So when you get there, you sign a little information packet that gives you all the info. And then you go in and you wait for the group. Then they basically give you a quick rundown of how things are going to work. You're going to function as a team. They're going to give you the recipes. They're going to go through those recipes live with you. While you're cooking, you get to taste everything that you're cooking. So whatever you're making, you get to taste it. We started with soup. We got to taste the soup. What they tell you ahead of time is don't fill up on the foods that you're cooking, because basically what happens is you're going to cook all of these different things. You're going to try a little bit, and then you're going to sit down for like a family dinner where they've cooked and prepared everything that you've made, so you can now compare and contrast the different things that you cooked. So we made samosas. We made a little cabbage dish. We made shrimp curry. We made another little vegetable dish. I forget what it was. Anyway, I had a really great time. The cooking instructors were really good. Everything is obviously like pre-chopped up and everything, so it makes it easy for you. But I was really blown away at how easy some of the recipes were to follow and got a really good result where I didn't think it was that easy to cook Indian food. So when you go, you sit down at the end, they give you drinks, so you get wine. Any soda that you would like, all of that is included in the price that you pay for your cooking class. I paid $60. It could not have been more worth it. It was so much fun. And then you eat your full meal. You have your drinks, your wine, your soda, everything. You get dessert. And then they send you the full recipes. You fill out your email address there, and they'll send you the recipes. I got them right away. So I had a really good time. I think this is a great experience. I think this is awesome for couples. If you're on there with your significant other or your friends or whoever it is you want to enjoy and spend the time with, I thought it was amazing. I had a blast doing it. I thought the cooking was very good. It was a little bit long. It was 2.5 hours. But it didn't seem that long going into it, and I kind of knew it was going to be the thing that I did that night. So just be aware of that if you are signing up for it. But let me know, has anybody ever done a cooking class on a cruise ship? Let me know, did you enjoy it? Would you enjoy one of the other ones, like the pasta one or the cupcake or the Italian one, a Spanish one? Let me know what you think. What would be your favorite cooking class? Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel. Come join our little family here. It would really mean the world to us. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.